Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into an ocean of curiosity to answer a bizarre yet fascinating question. What if a person is swallowed by a whale? Whales are magnificent and mysterious creatures, captivating our imaginations for centuries. But what would actually happen if a person was swallowed by one? The anatomy of a whale's mouth and throat. Whales have huge mouths, but can they really swallow a human? Let's start with baleen whales. Their throats are actually quite narrow, about the size of a grapefruit. This makes it impossible for them to swallow anything larger than a basketball. Toothed whales, on the other hand, have larger throats. A sperm whale's throat is big enough to swallow a human. In fact, they've been known to eat giant squid whole. Now let's imagine you're inside a whale's stomach. What would you find there? Whales have multiple stomach chambers similar to cows. The first chamber is where the initial digestion takes place. In the first chamber, the stomach acids and enzymes begin to break down food. The environment is dark, slimy, and filled with digestive fluids. It's not a place you'd want to be. Survival scenarios? Seriously? So, is there any chance of surviving this ordeal? Let's explore some survival and rescue scenarios. If swallowed by a whale, the biggest challenges are lack of oxygen, stomach acids, and the risk of being crushed. To survive, one would need a quick rescue. Divers could potentially rescue you if you're near the surface and they act quickly. Another scenario involves the whale regurgitating its stomach contents. Whales sometimes expel indigestible objects, so there's a slim chance you could be thrown back out. Believe it or not, there are real-life accounts and myths of people being swallowed by whales. One famous story is that of James Bartley, who was allegedly swallowed by a sperm whale in the 19th century and survived. While the authenticity of this story is debated, it has sparked the imagination of many. And of course, we can't forget the biblical tale of Jonah, who spent 3 days and 3 nights in the belly of a great fish. These stories may be more myth than reality, but they're fascinating nonetheless. Conclusion. So what if a person is swallowed by a whale? While it's highly unlikely to happen, it's clear that surviving such an ordeal would be a monumental challenge. Whether fact or fiction, these stories remind us of the incredible mysteries of the ocean. The ocean remains one of the most enigmatic places on Earth, and the creatures that inhabit it continue to inspire awe and wonder. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive into the question, what if a person is swallowed by a whale? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating content. See you next time.